The lifting of weights is so much superior for the purpose of improving the cardiovascular condition of a human being that whatever's in second place is not even in the running. No pun intended. That is to say, running is a very poor, a very dangerous, a very slow, a very inefficient, a very non-productive method for eventually producing a very limited, low order of cardiovascular benefit. Any results that can be produced by any amount of running can be duplicated and surpassed by the proper use of weightlifting for cardiovascular benefits. Now, I realize that there are hundreds of thousands, perhaps millions of people in this country who don't understand that, who don't believe that, who will not admit that. Now, these people are simply uninformed. Certainly, it's possible to run with no benefit. It's possible to lift weights with no benefit. I'm talking about the proper use of weightlifting. And properly applied, weightlifting will improve your cardiovascular benefit to a degree that is impossible to attain with any amount of running.